Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So first let me show you today's date and time. So today is 19th of January 2021 and currently time is 9:42 AM. So coming on to our today's trade, traders, I have taken a trade in TCS. You can see here. So it is currently near to our cost price, and traders, today I am going for the buy side in this stock and I have placed my order with 4 quantities. Okay traders, and today also we are trying to get risk reward ratio of 1:2. So we are waiting for it to show some good momentum towards the target, and traders, this is the trade. Today also we are trading for breakout and trade is going on. Okay traders, so now I'm pausing the video, and when it will show some good momentum toward the target, I will update you. So traders, here you can see that our stop loss was got triggered here, and unfortunately we have to book some loss today. So totally accepted, part of trading. Let me show you on the terminal. Okay, so here you can see we have booked a loss of today 45.80 rupees. Okay traders, so this was our today's trade. Hope you learned something from it and enjoyed the video. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.